The time which we waste daily on Facebook and WhatsApp can be utilized by trying to have a passive income by just sitting at home through online. If we can do so, we don't have to ask for money to our parents for every little things. After being admitted to college, everyone's expenses increases, and then we feel hesitated to ask for money to our parents for every little things. So if we can earn at least our own pocket money, we can stay tension free. So today, let's find out some solutions for this life problem. During college life, we have two resources full. Number one, time, and number two, energy. And the resource we lack most is money. So I will talk about only those ways of passive income which mainly require time and energy, but requirement of money is low or even doesn't require at all. Smart idea number one, YouTube. For the students like me, the best way for passive income is YouTube. No other platform is as simple and as big as this for generating passive income. Because there is no strict rule that you have to upload a video daily, weekly or monthly, and even there is no deadline. Whenever you get free time, you can work as you like. So freedom is full. Next is investment. Here required investment is also zero. As you are watching this video, so it can be considered that you have an Android phone in which you have an unlimited data plan. So if you want, you can easily make videos by just using this phone. It will be better if you have laptop or desktop. And also you can open YouTube account and AdSense account free of cost. So the required investment to start a YouTube channel is totally zero. I also started with zero investment. And once you become popular on YouTube, then you will be able to earn not just the pocket money but also the total expenses of your family. You just have to keep two things in your mind before starting a YouTube channel. Number one, the topic on which you are starting your channel must be of one of your favorite topics so that you love what you do. And number two, you are at least better than normal people in that work. Means you are interested in that work. On YouTube, at the starting of a video, there are some advertisements shown. And YouTube shares a percentage of the money earned from that advertisement with the video creator. And these ads are served by Google AdSense. So after creating a YouTube account, you have to link that with the AdSense account. You will get step-by-step tutorial on this topic if you search on YouTube. Smart idea number two, affiliate marketing. If you have a huge amount of friends or followers in social media like Facebook page or Instagram account, then you will be able to earn money just by promoting a product by posting the affiliate link for that product on your social media account. Amazon, Flipkart both have an option called affiliate program. First you have to join by creating an account in affiliate program. Obviously this is absolutely free. Then you can generate affiliate link of any product and post it on your social media account. After that you can request your friends and followers that if they like that product, then they can buy the product by following that link. If someone visits the website by clicking on that link and within the next 24 hours if he or she buy a product from that website, even if they buy some other products, then also you will get a commission on that. Because you have promoted the website by posting that link on your social media account. But in this case, first of all you must have some followers who trust you. And you have to build that trust first. Smart idea number three, freelancing. If you are an expert in any of these kinds of jobs like typing, article writing, video editing or logo designing which can be delivered through online to your customers, then you can earn money by opening a free account in different freelancing websites like Fiverr.com by providing that particular type of service. Here how it works. Suppose you provide the service of logo designing. So sometimes if a company wants to design their own logo, they may visit Fiverr.com and search there. Now if they like your profile, they will place you an order to design a logo for them. If you agree to provide the service within the given deadline and successfully submit it within that date, then they will pay you the money through that website. Here the minimum fee is $5. Now the thing is, if you are working as a freelancer, then there is no fixed surety of getting new order within a fixed limited time. And also, after getting an order, you will be given a deadline and you have to deliver your service before that. Also at first, you will be required a lot of patience. Because only after you will complete many successful orders, when your work record will look good, then you will get orders easily. Because everyone wants to hire an experienced and expert freelancer. Most of them don't prefer newcomers. Smart idea number 4, photography. In this era of internet, demand of new photos are increasing day by day. It may be for a website or article or presentation. The scope of earning money through photography has been increased exponentially because of the increase of the demand of digital images in commercial use. So if you love photography and you have a good camera, maybe a DSLR or your phone's camera, then you can earn money by clicking good photos. You can open free account in different stock photography websites like 500px.com or istockphoto.com, and you can sell your photos over there. Smart idea number 5, blog or website. This idea at the last because this requires some technical knowledge, and in case of website, at first you will also need some money for investment. Although in this case the amount you will earn is much more than the amount earned by the other ways. If you face some difficulties in making videos, then the best idea for you can be starting a blog. By opening a free account in Google Blogger, you can start your own blog by writing about on your favorite topics. Or if you have 2000 or 3000 rupees for investment, then you can hire someone to build a website for you, and then you can start posting on that website. The more the numbers of visitors will increase, the more your blog or website will go upwards in search ranking. And then by putting ads in your website or blog, you can earn money while you are sleeping. The main thing is stop wasting time, because getting admitted to college means it is time to learn to take your own responsibilities on your own. So in place of wasting time, you have to utilize that doing some creative work which is meaningful to you, and also from which you can get some financial support, because it is the best time to invest time and energy for your dream career. If you just simply waste time out of nothing, then in future there will be no other option than regretting and blaming others. At last, let us sum up the whole video. The best 5 ways to generate passive income in student life are: number 1, YouTube; number 2, affiliate marketing; number 3, freelancing; number 4, photography; and number 5, blog or website. Why passive income is so important is clearly made understood by this quote quoted by T. Harv Eker, who is the author of the best-selling book Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. He said, "You become financially free only when your passive income exceeds your expenses." At last, a little request to you. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends, because by sharing, you can also help to change someone's life. Next video is on the next Sunday. Thanks for watching. More wisdom, more solution, better life.